Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bram. In case this is your first time seeing me, welcome. I make fashion, lifestyle and DIY content. So today I'll be making some DIY decor projects that you can put around your house, and I was scrolling through Pinterest and saw this really nice bohemian inspired wall hanging. Very minimal and very nice, so I decided to replicate that using some things that I already have. I have this yarn, one in black and one in brown, so I'll be using them to make this project. And I have these embroidery hoops that I used to make an abstract inspired t-shirt, and I'll be putting the video below, and also the image that I got inspired by somewhere around this frame, so that you can see what I got inspired by. And I have some scissors here that I'll be using to cut out the yarn. So that will be the project, and I have some other project coming up in this video. And by first tying one end of the brown yarn to this hoop on the inside like this. So just going to freestyle and just tightly wrap it around the hoop like so. You want to ensure that they're not so far away spaced. You can make sure that it's tightly spaced so that the lines look more symmetrical to each other. So this is what you're going to do. It's very simple to make. You can just freestyle. You can use different colors of yarns to make this project, and here I'm using this brown one, and just being very light, and as you can see it's already taking shape. So I'm just wrapping it around this hoop like so, very easy and very tightly. So the yarn is almost finished, so I'm just going to go around and go inside the hoops, inside like this, inside the thread. And just tie it down. First part, so I'm just going to go in this direction with the thread. I want it to be some sort of a crisscross kind of pattern, so that's what I'm going to attempt to tie it again. I can just follow up the steps that I'll be doing. So I'm just going to let you watch as
So here I've moved on to the second embroidery hoop, and here first I'm going to begin with the black one, and I'm going to begin to also use the brown one to give a little bit of that contrast between the two colors, and I think it's going to turn out really good. But so far, as you can see, it's a very easy DIY that anyone can do, even if you're a beginner. It just involves spinning the yarn and just following any pattern that you may please. It doesn't have to be this one that I'm using. You can follow any pattern that you want according to your liking, and it's very fun to make. So this is a dope project that you can do when you want to relax your mind, just to calm your mind. It's very soothing actually.
So for the second hoop, I went for a more two-tone look. I have the brown and the black here. I think it's going to give that very nice contrast between the two colors. So
the next thing will be just what they look like together. I think I'm just going to hang them, but I'm going to attach the two of them side by side.
Is I got these vintage cassette tapes and they've been lying around the house in the store, so I'm just going to utilize them to make a centerpiece or something for holding succulents. I haven't decided yet. 90s and 80s kids and early 2000 kids probably know what these are, but some people may not know what these are. These are vintage cassette tapes, and this one has been written Westlife Coast to Coast. I think it belonged to my sister, so I'm just going to those days, so I'm just going to utilize this to make like this. So we're just going to begin the process right about now by hot gluing the cassette tapes and constructing or coming up with the body of this
So I went outside and got myself the succulents. They grew pretty well where we live. There's no need to buy them. And what I did is just added some soil and used some coins to fill up the hole so that the soil does not pour out. And for those who have been labeled plant killers, this is the project for you. These plants require very little amount of water to survive, and they'll be good to go. You can put them in your balcony, you can put them in your room, and they require very little maintenance and they'll just survive miraculously. And I didn't want to spray paint the cassette tape because that will spoil the integrity or the look of the. I just wanted to remain in the raw state as possible, and I really loved how it turned out. This is a very easy project and very a different side of me of being a natural, and I really loved it. So I think that will be the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. See y'all in my next videos. Bye.